respected principal, dear teachers, and my beloved friends, a warm good morning to all. According to Gifford Pinchot, American forester and politician, conservation means the wise use of the earth and its resources for the lasting good of men. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated annually on 28 July. The day is to create awareness about the importance of protecting natural resources and thereby conserving nature. A healthy environment is a foundation for a stable and productive society. Earth provides basic necessities like water, air, soil, trees, animals, and food. But man exploits nature for his selfish motives. There are several threats to nature like deforestation, wildlife trade, pollution, and plastic waste. Due to this natural imbalance, we are facing several problems like global warming, various diseases, natural and man-made disasters, and increased temperature. Urbanization and industrial development are two main reasons for the depletion of nature. It is crucial to create a healthy environment to safeguard the present and future generations. Whatever we do affects the nature because the world is one and linked together. Conservation of nature is the wise management and utilization of natural resources. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed, opines Mahatma Gandhi. It is high time to raise awareness among people all over the world to understand the importance of saving resources, recycle and preserve it, and also to understand the consequences of damaging it. How can we participate in this environmental conservation? There are several ways by which we can conserve environment. Plant trees to avoid deforestation, soil erosion, as well as to promote greenery. Recycle everything if possible. Try to buy reusable and biodegradable products as much as we can. Don't waste water. Instead, use it judiciously. Practice rainwater harvesting. Reduce the use of electricity and save both energy as well as money. Reduce, reuse and recycle waste. We can reduce pollution of all sorts. Reduce paper use and thereby save paper and save trees. Stop smoking as it is injurious to health and it litters nature. Let us come together on this World Nature Conservation Day and make a promise to contribute to the local, national, and global levels in conserving nature. It will not only benefit our present generation but also the future generations. So friends, let us decide to conserve nature. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.